An allergy occurs when the body's immune system overreacts to a normally harmless substance, known as an allergen. Common allergens include pollen, dust mites, pet dander, certain foods, insect stings, and some medicines. Allergies can cause symptoms such as sneezing, a runny or blocked nose, itchy or watery eyes, skin rashes, hives, itching, or mild swelling. Most mild allergies can be managed by avoiding the trigger whenever possible and using over-the-counter antihistamines, such as cetirizine or loratadine, following the instructions on the label. Keeping your home clean, washing your hands after being outdoors, and showering after exposure to pollen can also help reduce symptoms. Common over-the-counter medicines for allergies include cetirizine, helps relieve sneezing, runny nose, itching, and watery eyes. Loratadine provides relief from allergy symptoms and usually causes less drowsiness.